Your to-do list is lying to you, and you helped write it. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Writing down a task feels almost as good as doing it. You get a little hit of satisfaction, a little, look at me, being responsible, and your brain quietly files the task under handled. Except nothing happened. You made a list. The list made you feel productive. And feeling productive is the world's best substitute for being productive. It gets worse. Most to-do lists are guilt storage. That item from 3 weeks ago, organize photos, is not a task anymore. It is a tiny monument to your shame, and you scroll past it every day like it owes you money. So here is how to fix the list without burning it. Fix 1. 3 items. Not 17. 3. If everything is a priority, nothing is. A list you can actually finish teaches your brain that lists get finished. A list of 20 items teaches your brain that lists are decoration. Fix 2. Verbs, not nouns. Essay is not a task. It is a haunted house. Write the first paragraph of the essay is a task. Your brain cannot start a noun. It can start a verb. Fix 3. Give it a home. A task without a time is a wish. Put it on the calendar. Tuesday, 4 p.m., write the paragraph. The moment a task has an address, it stops wandering around your head rent-free. Try it tomorrow. 3 items. All verbs, all scheduled. Watch what happens to that weird background guilt. If your to-do list currently has an item older than some of your friendships, subscribe. We fix one life glitch a day here in doodle form. See you in the next scribble.